What lies at the end of a rainbow in LEGO Fortnite? Well, you may think you're not able to reach it, but actually you can. If you happen to find a rainbow and head straight across to the base of it, you'll see a cloud. There's obviously a few ways that we can get up to it, but the easiest way is probably building straight up. If we head to building parts, stairs, and build just some basic stairs here to get up, you'll see that when we do, there's music and things going on here. If you were to start dancing as well, they'll give you a reward. That's it. Just hit B on your keyboard if you're playing on mouse and keyboard, and as soon as you do, they'll drop a reward. It'll head down to the ground, and shortly after, all of them will disappear, and once we hop down, the entire thing vanishes. What we're left with, in my case, is flour, dynamite, pepper seed, shield, shovel, and a short sword. I'm pretty sure you can get different kinds of results if you find these in different areas, but these are the ones that I found here. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.